In this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to set up a new character for the third-person camera plugin. The first thing that we have to do is to replace the core prefabs with the ones included with the plugin. That will make the character to work with a third-person setup. We have brought in a new character from Mixamo and we have to make sure that the rig is set to humanoid before we can proceed. Then we go to Horror Engine, Wizards and press New Character. This will bring up a new editor on which we can select the right character prefab. In our case, we will select the third-person character as a base prefab. For the character model, we will select the model from Mixamo. We select the folder where the new prefab is going to be saved and press Create. Now we have to set up the sockets for our character. We go to Horror Engine, Wizards, Set up Character Sockets, which will bring up an editor on which we will select the different bones used for each socket. This rig doesn't have any bone specific for the flashlight, so we have to create one. We create a new object on the spine bone and attach a socket component. We select the flashlight socket handle and pick that new gain object from the socket setup window. Next, we will create a character data file. We set the character name and assign the prefab we just created. And we will add an assault rifle to the initial inventory of the character. Now we have to assign that character data to the game manager. We go to the HE core prefabs and select the TP game manager. Inside the game manager, there is a list with all the available characters in the game, and we will replace the existing one with our new character data. If we play the game, we will see that the game is now using our new character. However, the camera is a bit high. If we instantiate the new prefab and the old character prefab, you will notice that the new character is a bit shorter. To fix that, we will rescale the character model to match the old character size. We adjust the scale of our model and apply the changes to the prefab. Alternatively, we can change our rotator offset y-axis on the third-person camera component. If we delete both characters and play the game, everything looks as it should. If we go to the TP camera prefab, we can change the default config shoulder offset to make the camera to stay a bit further from the player. If we equip the assault rifle, we will notice that it is not visible at the moment. We will explain how this is fixed in a following tutorial where we will see how equipment attachments work.